Now let's dive into basic structure of an HTML page. So first, let's open our subline or your VS Code or whatever text editor you're using. Create a new file. So the first thing that comes into your basic structure is your doc type, document declaration. This tells your browser what kind of HTML you're running. So in this module, we're studying HTML5. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to use our open angle brackets, exclamation mark, doc type, DOCTYPE. Then click on your space bar, then type HTML, then close your angle bracket. So by doing this, you have declared to your browser that you're running HTML5. The next thing that comes in after that is your HTML tag, open and close. Inside of your HTML tag, you will have your head tag, open and close. Inside the head tag, we'll have the title tag also, open and close. So this title tag is used for titling your document. Outside of the head tag, still inside of your HTML tag, would have our body tag, open and close. So the body tag is used, or the body tag shows every visible element on your web page. That means whatever you put on your body tag is what that will show on your web page. The head tag is majorly for informations. Alright? Good. So inside of your body tag, go ahead and type your H1 tag, open and close. So type hello world in between your open and close H1 tag. Have you done that? So after that, let's go ahead and use our P tag. So inside of your P tag, go ahead and write I am aka Igwe, but don't put my name. You can put your name there. I am, then your name. Have you done that? Okay. We are almost done with our first HTML page or our first website. So now what we need to do is to save our page. So to save your HTML page, you need to know something about extensions. So most documents have extensions. You can see things, document ends with doc. Even pictures have extensions. You see pictures that end with JPG, PNG. For HTML, HTML extension is HTML. So when saving an HTML page, you need to save it with, after the title of the page, with .html. So when you click on Control Save or Command Save, so when you're putting the title of your page, let's say you're using index, it's going to be index.html. Then you can go ahead and change your files to all files. Now save it. After you have saved your web page, you're almost there. So now what we need to do is to run our web page. So wherever you have saved your document, whether in your desktop or in your document file, so let's go there and see it. So because you saved it as .html, what you're going to see now is a browser icon. Alright, so go ahead and click it. Welcome and congratulations, you have been able to open your first web page.